I lost money because my stop loss was too tight. It is too tight. It is too tight. Give it some space. Where's your mind? I'm talking about stop losses. Oh, stop losses. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist trading forex to fund my music career. And the goal for this year is $100,000. If you're new here, follow, like, subscribe on this journey with me. Now, stop losses are like the fundamentals, the basics of forex trading. Before you enter any trade, have your stop losses, right? We all know that. Because of me losing money, in the past, it scared me. So I always make my stop losses like tight. I have this like 20 pip stop loss thing that I usually do, so my losses don't go more than 20 pips. But this has come to bite me. Yes, it has, because I was actually on a trade that actually went in my direction, but because of the way my stop loss was too tight, I lost money. Now I'll show you guys this on my trading view. The market got to around 3,037.65, right? And then started selling. It became bearish, was selling, and then I entered around 3,035.89, right? And I placed my stop losses up here around 3,037.900. That's about 20. That's like 20 pips stop loss, right? And so the second candle formed. It was bearish, and then started retracing, and then it came up, got here, took out my stop loss, and then stopped around 3,038 point. What's this? Point 3534. Well, just look at it, just this little number, man. And just like that, it took out my stop loss, and then came all the way down. I guess I was a victim of market manipulation, because it's really crazy. So probably next time, if I taken it up maybe like extra 5 pips, probably I would have made money from that trade. Like really painful, really painful. Like I lost money on that trade. It hurt me so. But anyway, because I really learned so much about risk management. I really didn't lose so much money. It was a 0.01 lot size, and even though it went against me, I lost little money. But at the end of the day, I lost money because I did not use my stop loss properly. So that's what I learned from this trade. Hope we all learned something. What stop losses should we use? 20 pips, 30 pips, 40 pips? Let me know in the comment section. Anyway, I hope you guys got value from this video. Hope you learned something like I learned, just that I lost money in my own learning process. But follow, like, subscribe, so we can all do this together. The goal for this year is $100,000. I believe we can do it, and we will do it. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Let's keep trading and making this money. Let me go and make some music now in the studio. Peace out.